Hey guys, welcome to another episode from Vegas Talks. In this video, we will discuss today's Bank Nifty price action and then try to predict for tomorrow. Before we start, thank you for liking a video and sending so many emails and SMS in community group. I have replied to each one of you. If missed any, then I am sorry. You can post your query again. Remember, remember I am not very active in community group, but any of our team members will definitely reply to your query. There were many query about option chain, so I will upload a video by this weekend. Do like my video or comment if you want me to post option chain video in detail. If there is around 1000 likes, then I'll upload video in detail. Okay, now let's start today's video. But before we start, a disclaimer: this video is only for educational purpose and we do not provide any tips or recommendations. Today, Bank Nifty gave a gap opening of around 100 points, then went up till the resistance or the trend line as shown in this figure. Then it went to a sideways market till 1430 and then gave a breakout as per our analysis. Our target was around 33,169, but because of a gap opening, target reduced by 100 points. So I hope you have captured profit today, both in first 1 hour of trade and then in last 1 hour of trade. I hope you understand the importance of analyzing Bank Nifty on a daily basis and the impact it gives us during the market hours. So now let's try to predict for tomorrow. Most of the foreign markets is in green, so I'm a bit bullish for tomorrow. But let's discuss the scenario first. If there is a flat opening and if price breaks today's closing of 33,285, then we will buy put for a target close to 33,000, or most precisely 33,050. But remember, if just like today market opens flat and continue to trade for 1 or 2 hour or 3 hour in a range and then give a breakout below 33,285, then avoid put. Simple. We will not buy for a target of just 100 or 150 points. Okay. Now if there is a gap down, then avoid buying put and trade as per price action, and same with the gap up opening. I will avoid buying any call or put if there is a gap up or a gap down opening, and will wait for the market to close and will prepare for Monday then. Let me also tell you that the bottom level of support is at 33,097. So this is also an important support level which market can respect. Now if there is a flat opening and price goes up to the trend line, this trend line, if you see resistance at this level, then buy put with a small stop loss. If it crosses trend line, then avoid taking call. Remember, if it crosses the trend line, then avoid taking call. Because global trend is positive, so I am expecting positive move in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, but movement might be slow on call side, so better avoid it. Remember, for gap up and gap down, follow the price action and then trade. If you are not able to decide, then avoid trading. Let me show you 1-day chart also, so that you will have a clear idea. As you can see the screen, there was a W formation, then it gave a breakout, went up, then retraced, then pull back again, retraced again, went up and then traced. So there is another W formation. If price goes below 33,300 or 33,200, probability is less, but we can continue if breakout happens in less than or at least within the first 1 hour. This is the reason why there might be a closing in green tomorrow. So I hope you understand. There might be a closing in green tomorrow because all the global sentiments looks positive. I hope the concept is clear and you understand the logic. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. You can also follow Vega Stocks on Instagram for latest update on financial market. Thank you and have a good day.